Welcome to Learn to Speak. Today, we bring you a fun and easy English conversation between a husband and wife as they plan to go to the park together. This conversation is in very simple English, perfect for beginners who want to practice daily spoken English. So sit back, listen carefully, and repeat the sentences to improve your speaking. Let's begin. Shall we go to the park today?
Yes, why not? The weather looks nice.
What time should we go?
Let's go after tea, around 5 p.m.
That sounds good. Do you want to walk or take the scooter?
I think we should walk. It's not far.
Okay, walking is healthy too. Okay, walking is healthy too. What should I wear?
Something comfortable. It might be windy.
Should I wear my sports shoes?
Yes, we may walk for a while.
Are you wearing your jogging shoes?
Yes, I already kept them near the door.
Should we take water bottles?
Good idea. I'll fill 2 bottles.
What about some snacks?
We can take fruits or biscuits.
I'll pack some apples and cookies. Do you want to sit or walk there?
First, we will walk. Then we can sit and relax.
Should we go to the flower garden side?
Yes, I love that part. It smells so fresh.
Do you remember the last time we went there?
Yes. We saw butterflies and kids playing.
Do you want to listen to music while walking?
Sure, let's share the earphones.
Which songs should we play?
Something soft and calm.
Romantic songs?
Of course. You know I love them.
Should we click some pictures in the park?
Yes. The lighting will be nice in the evening.
Can we take selfies near the big tree?
Why not? We always take selfies there.
I'll charge my phone now.
Good. Don't forget the power bank.
Should we invite someone to join us?
No, I think today let's enjoy alone time.
Yes, just you and me. A peaceful evening.
After the walk, we can sit on the bench.
And talk about old memories.
Or plan our next weekend trip.
Do you want to do some stretching exercises there?
Yes, a little stretching after walking is good.
I'll bring a small mat then.
Great. I'll bring the hand towel too.
Looks like we're fully prepared now.
Let's go and enjoy the fresh air.
Should we feed the birds if we see any?
Yes, I'll carry some grains in a paper bag.
You always think of everything.
Because I love going to the park with you.
I love it too. It's our special time. What if it rains suddenly?
Then we'll run under the big tree.
And get half wet anyway.
Then we'll enjoy a rainy walk together.
That sounds romantic. Shall we go now?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's leave before it gets dark.
Okay, I have everything packed.
Let's go and enjoy our evening in the park.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this easy English conversation between a husband and wife going to the park. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Learn to Speak for more simple and useful English dialogues. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Comment below if you want more conversations like this. We love hearing from you. Keep practicing, keep learning.